Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to print from PC or laptop to printer and how you can add the printer on your device if it is not. So let's open the start menu, then click on setting icon, and once you click on setting icon you need to click on Bluetooth and devices, and you can see here devices and printer and scanner. Just click on printer and scanners and simply you need to select here add a printer. Once you click on that option, your printer should appear within your network. You need to make sure that your printer and laptop or system is connected with the same network or by the USB. Make sure it is properly connected. Once it is connected, it should appear here. Then you need to click on that option and simply add it. Once you add it, and if the printer is not listed as here, so you can select the option which says printer, the printer that I wasn't is not listed here, add manually, and you can type here the manual, or you can select the share printer by name, click on browse, and within the network it should show up. Just double click on that and select it. Also you can do with the add printer user using a IP address and a hostname. Just click on that option and you can select your printer IP here. Once it is added, just close this and close this also, and if you want to print it, so you need to press Ctrl and P on your keyboard, and even you can look for this option like so, Ctrl P, and you should be able to see your printer listed here. Okay, you can click on add a printer if it is not there, and once it is added you need to just click on the option which says print, and once you print it, it should print now. You can see the icon here as well for printer. Okay, so this is very easy, and I hope guys, if you are facing any kind of issues with your printer, so that means that you have to install the driver from the official source like HP printer or the Dell printer. Whatever printer you are using, the model number should appear like this, and you can select that option from here, HP LaserJet. You can see here, and once you select that, you need to click on this option driver, and you can see HP Universal Print Driver for Windows. Just click on download, and once you download it guys, simply run it. Once you run it, your printer should add it automatically, but if anyhow it is not added, so you can choose manual way to install the printer driver on your Windows. So I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.